Hello, in front of me I've got 70mi dashcam 1SD06. In this video I'll show you how to turn this device on and off. In the beginning, let's prepare your charging cable and plug it to camera. Once it's plugged, the camera will start itself. If you want to turn the camera off, press and hold this button. If you press it shortly, the camera will only turn off the screen. So let's press and hold. And as you can see, the camera has automatically started parking surveillance mode. And that's basically it. Press this button again to turn camera on back. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.